Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back. Alright, today we're going to go over how to draw a Jason Voorhees mask, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so follow me all the way through it. Let's get started, alright? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curved line over here, kind of for the top of that mask. Curve on the left side. Curve on the right. Underneath here, up, marshmallow shape for one eye on the left side, marshmallow shape over here on the right side, and we're gonna fill those in, right? Because it's like kind of the dark part of the mask. Right on. Gonna go over here and we're gonna do the latches on the left and right side. So square right here, square right here, square down here, up here, dot right here, kind of right at the top of the eyes. Continue, continue, 2 dots on top. Dot, circle over here, circle over here. Circle, circle, circle on the 3 on the temple there. Circle, circle, circle on the temple on the other side. Kind of 1 dot in the center. Circle here, circle here, circle here for the cheek. So we got 3 in the cheek over here as well. And then we're gonna have like 6 going down. Right here, and then 2 flaring out. So he's got like a network of these dots on his face, and I think the more you just kind of, practice them over and over, it gets to be a lot easier. So sort of like a thin line over here, thin line over here, draw some little minor details as much as we can to a smooth hockey mask. Maybe a thin line there, maybe a thin line over here on this side. Line over there. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Alright, after that we're going to grab a red. Okay, we're going to put the designs on him. So he has a upside down triangle, so draw a straight line across. Down, down. Fill this in. Right on. Same thing over here on this side. Line, line, like a triangle pointed at the eye area. Fill it in. Fill it in. And now we're gonna add something we haven't added to the other ones. Is we're gonna add a little blood, I guess, raspberry jam, right there. Just kind of like splatters of it on the side here. I'm trying to make it not, blend in. Try to make it as random as you can, just a bit here. Over here as well. Try not to make it merge into those designs because I'm using the same color.
maybe even over here it gets splatter. Just trying to make it random. And I understand it's hard to make something. Don't forget, by the way, hit the bell notification and subscribe, okay? When you subscribe, you're not just subscribing for this year, you're also subscribing for next year. That's a cool part. So when I post, it's a seasonal channel. When I post videos next year, it'll roll, you know, it's gonna roll right around, and you're gonna see a lot more stuff then as well. But definitely subscribe and hit that like button if you like this video. It's just fun to do these. And there you go. That is Jason Voorhees. I want to thank you very much. The other thing is, don't forget there's a free gift for you for watching. Basically, it is a free Halloween drawing template. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 templates, easy to print out. Like, they're made to print out. And I made 100 step-by-step templates. And it used to be a product, but now I made it free, just, you know, as a reward to come to this channel. You can get that, I think, in the second link in the description. It's called 100% free. It's a PDF format, easy. Go check it out. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And I'll talk to you in the next video.